Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use auto captions in TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, you have to launch or open your TikTok application, tap this plus icon right here, and then import that video. So you can just basically import the video from your gallery, tap on videos, and select the specific video here. Now, in order for you to add or use auto captions in TikTok, you just have to simply go to the right side. You can see options right here. Tap this arrow facing down. Now you should see the captions option. So if you tap this one right here, you have to scroll down and click captions. Once you tap this captions, then it will automatically detect the language that you use here on your video. And then you have to wait till it reaches 100%. Then once done, then you should see the caption right away. Aside from that, aside from this language that this video has already, you could also change that one. So basically, you can edit this. Also, you can edit the font and you can edit effects here on your caption. Now, if your video has this specific language and you want to change this to English or other language right here, just tap on caption and then tap on language and select that specific language. So that's it. That's how you easily use auto captions here in TikTok. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.